Dr. Mukul Sangmano ilam kaliang persa yang dabar tawain kajelah dak pakentaj ban kedau ya kidau ki jing bakala ki badan ka parti ulong baka Donkam ban ïatai kini ki AK hakisau kon ro jong ka parti kongres bat kinong ilam jong ka All India Congress Committee dak pakentaj ki khubor bola ino ka seng kongres bat wat seng sain perthei ban yakun nak bentak election arajar arpulai ula pensai bola no senyang sibun syakani ka seng sain perthei kabarim ha ka jela bot ula kentaj mardor halo kani ka khubor ham saya Ulong bay kidau ki bala ban kata ban pentulak di ka parti Donkam menikran sani bah ka parti. Ulong bo kwa menikran ba kinoi lam hadeli bat kwa menikran bat no banuru halo ka kam parti.
I must say the Grand All Party, which has been built by our forefathers with definitely with a purpose which is before us, and while during my childhood as well, I had the privilege to follow my parents because my parents were in Congress from then. And Ampati, as you know, was one of the seats which was always a Congress seat. It has always elected and returned Congress candidates, except 1988 when there was a coup within the party, as usual in Congress, which is always not unexpected. And an independent candidate won for the first time and Congress was defeated. Therefore, the whole dynamics of the politics was such that all the members who had this whole alignment with Indian National Congress, who had the kind of deep relationship with this Grand All Party, wanted me to join politics. And I tried because I was a medical officer then. So it took long time for me to get my resignation accepted. So I couldn't get the party ticket. I had to contest as an independent. After that, 1998, I first got elected as a member of the Indian National Congress into the August House here. And ever since then, I have had the privilege of being associated with this Grand All Party and have been building the party in whatever humble way I can contribute along with the leaders of this great party. Now, therefore, I continue to strive to ensure that this party is strengthened. And if there are reasons for us to see that there are factors which are bound to weaken the party, we must, from my perspective, I see that I must be also responsible for pressing for any course correction. I have always maintained that any wrong need not be just left as, okay, it's wrong, so we need not make any attempt for a course correction. We must always take cognizance of any mistake, any wrongdoing, or anything which is considered as not inconsistent with the purpose that we want to achieve. And therefore, in the present context, I have always kept my cards close to my chest. I have shared, you have to bear the burden of allowing me to maintain that whatever is matters required to be resolved within the four walls of the party will be resolved within the four walls of the party. The most important thing that I would like to share with you all is that we build political parties because in our given democracy, the political parties provide us the platform on which we stand firm to be able to bear the burden of serving people, serving state, to take the burden of responsibility of governance whenever vested with this privilege and responsibility. And that's why we need to ensure that any political party to which we belong to, we must ensure that the political party to which one belongs must be capable of giving you the firm ground to be able to stand and bear the burden of taking the responsibility, the weight, the burden that comes along with the responsibility of serving people and serving state. I have always maintained that politics is one of the toughest jobs, and therefore building political party to which one have the whole commitment and conviction, keeping in mind that that particular political party provides a platform. I think it is very crucial for our democracy, to sustain democracy. If all the political parties are strong and vibrant, you will see how vibrant the democracy will be. Therefore, it is crucial for anybody, to whichever political party one belongs to be a factor to strengthen that political party. And do justice to the position that we occupy as members of the who choose to be in public life and serve people. So as of now, my focus is to see that I press for looking at how the things have gone and to have the needed course correction, which I feel must be done within the four walls of the party. Thank you, friends. You see, as I have maintained, when you want to resolve things, you have to ensure that sometimes you don't actually dwell on those issues outside the four walls, because then it may be very difficult to resolve them. So therefore, when we talk about resolving issues within four walls of the party, then you will have to bear with me that you will not be able to get all those details. Yesterday I came to Shillong, I was reading the news. But I was intentionally, it was by choice that I wanted to remain inaccessible, because I want to talk to leaders in Delhi whom I need to talk to. I don't want to talk to anybody else.